Hello friends, welcome to Global Studio YouTube channel. In this video we will learn how to make this arc text in Autocad. This is one of the simple Autocad trick that you can use in your daily projects. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the video and learn the trick. So I will not close this Autocad window. Instead of that, I will create one arc text on the other side. To create an arc text, first you have to create an arc. Take the arc option and create an arc like this. Any size and any shape you can create. After creating this arc, type arc. As you can see here, the arc text option. Choose this option arc text and then select the arc. As you can see here, the text option. Under this text option, type something here like this. After typing this text, come to these options. There are many options available for you. In this first option, you can make the text in reverse order by clicking on this. Anyway, we don't want the reverse order, so I will uncheck this one. And the second option is drag wizard. We will ignore this one. Come to the third option now. 3, 4, 5, 6. These options are for your text alignment. We'll choose this center along the arc option. The next option is text is on the convex side or concave side. We need the text above the arc, so we will select the convex side. After this selection, come to the right side. There are two options available for you. One is outward from center, one more is inward to the center. If you select any one of these options, the text will be mirrored. After these two options, come to the right side. Here you can select the text style. If you need the bold style, then you can click to this. If you need an italic style, then you can click to this one. If you need underline, then you can click to this one. All the changes you can notice here in this text box. After all this setup, the last option is for the color. Select any color. I will select green or magenta. You can see the color here in this text box. In the standard and annotative option, select the standard, and the font you can select from this tab. After selecting the font style, come to the text height. We will give the text height 0.5. Width factor, keep it as 1. Spacing, keep it as same. Offset from arc, keep it 0.5, and then click on OK. As you can see, this is how you can create the arc text in Autocad. But the problem with this is, once you create the text, you cannot edit once again. If you need more text length, then you have to delete this one and create once more. So that is how you can create the arc text in Autocad. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you guys learned something, then please don't forget to click that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. We'll meet again in the next video with new tips and tricks. Bye bye.